The Nilight RGB Rock Lights kit offers vibrant and durable lighting with quality LED chips that emit up to 14 watts of high-intensity RGB colors, making it perfect for truck exterior lighting. With both Bluetooth app and remote control options, this kit provides flexibility and convenience, allowing you to customize the lighting experience effortlessly, including syncing with music and adjusting various lighting parameters. The innovative one-to-one remote control feature ensures that your lighting setup remains interference-free, providing a seamless and personalized experience. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, with options for flat or round rubber pads and a plug-and-play system that simplifies setup and ensures a secure fit. Designed for versatility, the Nilight RGB Rock Lights kit operates on a wide voltage range and is suitable for various vehicles, adding both style and safety to trucks, ATVs, and more. Constructed with premium aluminum and featuring an IP68 waterproof rating, this lighting kit promises long-lasting performance and durability, making it a reliable choice for any vehicle enthusiast.